Nancy again, and I'm one of the artists at Imagination Design Studios. Yesterday, I got a request from one of our viewers named Ryan to draw a dog. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you have a request, let us know on social media or visit idskids.com/kidsclub to submit your requests. So grab your materials and remember to pause if you need time to catch up. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So first, grab your paper and pencil, and you start by drawing a circle just a little bit in the middle, but slightly on the left side, so not exactly in the middle of your paper. This will be the circle for your dog's head. So like our previous tutorials, start really light and then gradually build your lines a little darker as you become confident. And after drawing your circle, we can draw a rounded square. So it's a slight square with a little bit of curve on the edges. This will be our guideline for the dog's muzzle. There you go. So you can draw this fairly light as well, because this is just going to be our guideline. And next, we'll be drawing the ears. So for that, you just start by drawing an upside down triangle from the top part here, and then go all the way down, almost to the bottom, but not exactly. And then draw the point right here. Go. Now we have our basic shapes in place. And now we're going to be adding guidelines so we figure out where to put the eyes and the nose. So I'm going to draw a straight line here and then just go slightly down there because this is where the nose is going to be sitting. And for that, you draw the exact same thing, you draw an upside down triangle. And this one, you can darken it because this is going to be your main line. There. And you can draw another line here for more depth. There you go. And for the other ear, you can also just draw another line, just peeking out here, and then just going all the way down, because you don't really see the full ear on the other side, right? And then now you can slowly darken this curve here and then go all the way down here. And we can also round out the square that we drew earlier so it's not super sharp. So this is just our guideline. And now I'm going to be curving this slightly down so we can draw the smile line. And for that, just like our previous tutorials, you just draw a curved line here, just all the way across, from the side here, going all the way up, and then end it with another curve at the end. And because dogs have a muzzle like this, you can also draw a line and then also curve it slightly. So it's like the letter W, but very curved. Just like so. And next, we're going to be drawing the eyes. So for that, just like our previous tutorials, you start by drawing an oval just a little bit above the end of the smile line here. Go. And because this view is a quarter angle, the other eye would be slightly smaller. Here you go. And like our previous tutorials, to draw the pupils, you draw them a little bit smaller inside. This time we'll have our dog look this way. And same for the other eye, you draw it that way. Go. And you can also add the pupils inside the smallest circle and another one on the other side. You could also still choose to shade the entire thing, but very lightly, just so you have the full shape in focus. There you go. And for the muzzle here, generally it goes all the way up. So I'm just going to draw a line here, just so we know that's where the muzzle is. And draw another line to connect it from here. There. And we're going to be adding eyebrows like our usual practice, just a little bit above with another curve, and same for the other one, just another curve there. And you can erase your guidelines to emphasize the curve. There you go. And then you can darken this part right here, so we know that's the head. There you go. Now he's starting to come along. And this time we're going to be drawing our dog with a smiling face and an open mouth. And so for that to happen, we're going to be drawing a curve downward and then another curve just a little bit here. And then we're going to be drawing the tongue. And for that, we just draw like a really curved letter M, just like this. And then make this line slightly longer, and then this line can go all the way down, connected to the other one. So basically a letter U, but very long, because dogs have a really long tongue sometimes. There. And you can also choose to shade the inside of his mouth to add more depth. There you go. Now he looks way happier. And for the bottom of his mouth, you just draw a line down here and then all the way across, and then a really small one here, just so we know that it goes all the way on the other side as well. Yeah, he's starting to come along. And for the ears, we can erase the guidelines that we had before, except the lines where the triangle is. And then this line here could also be erased, because this is where the ears start to fold. So this way you can emphasize that by drawing a curve, and then draw the straight line down, and then another curve on top. So just slightly curve that in. Same for the other side, so it's like another wavy shape. And then curve the edges of your triangle so it's more organic. There you go. You can also do that for the other one, and then just slightly curve the angle. So curve this part here. Yay! Starting to come along, and we're almost done. So for this part, let's emphasize his cheeks a little more. You can erase the guidelines. And then you can add some fur marks just by adding slight dashes here. So this way you can have more depth with your furry friend. And then you can connect his head all the way down so we can have a neck. Then another one just tucked in a little bit behind. There you go. You can also choose to add another collar by drawing a curved line, and then another one here. But for this part, you draw another line here, because we're going to be adding his name tag. I'm going to be drawing a circle at the bottom, and then another curve here so we have a little bit more depth. And there you go. You can also choose to write down your dog's name or just any name that you'd like. But for this one, I'm dedicating this to our shop dog, Honey. So I'll be adding some eyelashes, And I'm going to be writing down her name just here by the name tag. Thank you for following along with our lesson today. We'd love to see your drawings, so either post them in the comments section or use the hashtag IDS Kids Club, because we might even share your drawing for everyone to see. Keep requesting more drawings for me to do, so just leave a comment on social media and let us know what type of animal you'd like to see us draw. And don't forget to check out the IDS Kid Club page, where you'll find this drawing and many more. You can even print these off at home to make your own coloring book. You'll also find more drawing lessons there, so just visit www.idskids.com/kidsclub. Stay creative and keep healthy, everyone. Don't forget to wash your hands often for 20 seconds or more to help prevent the spread of germs. There you go. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Bye now.